Mexico, a country located in North America, is a land of rich cultural heritage, breathtaking natural beauty, and vibrant cities. With a history dating back to the ancient Mayan and Aztec civilizations, Mexico is home to numerous archaeological sites, including the famous Teotihuacan and Chichen Itza, which showcase the country's complex and fascinating past. The country's geography is diverse, with lush rainforests, towering mountain ranges, and stunning coastlines along the Pacific Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. Mexico is also known for its vibrant cities, such as Mexico City, Guadalajara, and Cancun, which offer a blend of colonial architecture, modern amenities, and rich cultural experiences. The country's cuisine is a fusion of indigenous and European influences, with popular dishes like tacos, mole, and chiles rellenos showcasing the nation's love for food and celebration. Mexico is famous for its festive atmosphere, with colorful celebrations like the Day of the Dead, Cinco de Mayo, and the Guelaguetza, which highlight the country's rich cultural traditions. The country is also a popular destination for nature lovers, with opportunities for hiking, birdwatching, and exploring the unique ecosystems of the Baja California Peninsula and the Yucatan Peninsula. Mexico's economy is driven by industries like manufacturing, tourism, and agriculture, with the country being a major producer of oil, silver, and other natural resources. The country's education system is a mix of public and private institutions, with a strong emphasis on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics (STEM) fields. Mexico's cultural heritage is also reflected in its vibrant arts scene, with famous artists like Frida Kahlo, Diego Rivera, and José Clemente Orozco contributing to the country's rich artistic legacy. The country's music scene is equally diverse, with traditional genres like mariachi, ranchera, and norteño, as well as modern styles like rock and hip-hop. Mexico's literature is known for its magical realism, with authors like Carlos Fuentes, Octavio Paz, and Juan Rulfo making significant contributions to the country's literary heritage. The country's film industry is also thriving, with critically acclaimed directors like Alejandro González Iñárritu and Guillermo del Toro producing award-winning films that showcase Mexico's unique perspective and creativity. Mexico's warm and welcoming people, known for their hospitality and strong family ties, are a key part of the country's charm, making visitors feel at home and leaving a lasting impression on all who visit. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty, Mexico is a country that will forever hold a special place in the hearts of visitors, a place that will continue to inspire and captivate generations to come. From its stunning beaches to its vibrant cities, Mexico is a country that offers a unique and unforgettable experience for visitors from around the world. The country's complex and fascinating history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty make it a destination that will leave visitors in awe of its beauty, charm, and hospitality. Mexico's diverse landscapes, delicious cuisine, and warm hospitality make it an ideal destination for tourists and nature lovers alike, while its rich history, vibrant culture, and resilient people make it a fascinating and captivating country to explore and discover. With its unique blend of traditional and modern elements, Mexico is a country that will continue to enchant and fascinate visitors for generations to come. The country's strong sense of community and tradition is reflected in its many festivals and celebrations, which showcase the nation's love for music, dance, and celebration. Mexico's rich cultural heritage and vibrant arts scene make it a country that is constantly evolving, with new and innovative expressions of art, music, and literature emerging all the time. The country's tourism industry is also growing, with visitors drawn to its beautiful beaches, vibrant cities, and rich cultural heritage. Mexico's natural resources, including its oil reserves, agricultural land, and mineral deposits make it an important player in the global economy. The country's strategic location, bordering the United States and Central America, makes it a key player in regional trade and diplomacy. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty, Mexico is a country that will forever be etched in the hearts of visitors, a place that will continue to inspire and captivate generations to come, with its unique blend of traditional and modern elements, rich history, and breathtaking natural beauty. Mexico's warm and welcoming people, delicious cuisine, and vibrant culture make it a destination that will leave visitors with unforgettable memories and a deep appreciation for the country's beauty, charm,